All right, we're throwing some codes here. All right, so P0010, P0011, another P0010, and another P0011. And that's all 5. So let's get this taken care of. Alright, here's the engine. We're going to be changing the camshaft solenoids, both the inlet and outlet.
Alright guys, so the codes that were being generated were actually pertaining to only the inlet camshaft solenoid. But I'm going to go ahead and change the inlet and the outlet because I'm assuming that if one goes bad, the other one's probably going to be going bad shortly after. So this way we'll know we'll be good for many miles to come.
Okay, since what we're doing, we're going to be unplugging some electrical things. So it's be a good idea to go ahead and shut off the power by disconnecting this battery. Okay. All right, using a 10mm socket, I'm going to be taking off the negative terminal. All right, I'm going to tuck this out of the way so it doesn't pop back on there. All right, now we got to get this the engine cover off. All right, and to get the engine cover off, the oil cap needs to come out. And since we don't want to get debris down in here, I'm gonna stick a paper towel down in here, and then that way we can just lift the cover right on off without worrying about debris getting in. All right, so a pretty simple job, guys. As you see here, this is the outlet camshaft solenoid, and this is the inlet camshaft solenoid. Let's go ahead and do the outlet first. Let's go ahead and unplug this. It's got a little tab, got to pull it back like a little locking tab. All right, took a little bit of prime, but it came on off. All right, going back to the 10mm socket, we're just gonna take this on out of here. Alright, let's see if this will pull out. There we go. And it really doesn't look too bad. So let's get a new one in here. So here's one new one. Got these on Amazon for about $37, I believe, a piece. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description. There's your new one. Let's compare them, make sure they're exactly the same. All right, are we focused? There we go. All right, there's one. So we just tighten down on it. Alright, just gonna get this good and snug, but nothing too crazy. Alright. Go ahead and put my connector back on. I can feel the little snap once it got so far. Now I'll push the locking mechanism back in. Now it's time to do the rear one, and I believe I'm probably gonna have to get this thing out of the way. All right, so finally got that connector off. It's a pain. Hey, come on out. There we go. So there's that old one. From what I understand, the little solenoid valve in here just gets stuck over time. And what it's doing is trying to advance or retard your timing, I guess, on the fly. And if it gets stuck, it's gonna cause your engine to act funny and vibrate a lot and throw codes. It's a GM part. start this in by hand. Alright, got that in, and we'll go for the plug. Slide the locking mechanism back forward. Alright, got a bunch of crud in here. I think I'm gonna clean this out first. Got her cleaned up. And put this back in here like this. Go ahead and put the cap back on. These don't have to be super tight, guys. It's just an engine cover. Alright, gonna need to put the air hose back on. Alright, I'm putting the negative terminal back on. And gonna go tighten that down. Okay. Alright, there we are. Okay guys, so now I need to go in here and clear out the previous codes. I'm gonna go down to erase codes. It says erase trouble codes, are you sure? Yes. Alright, so now the erasing is done. Hit any key to continue. So we're gonna start her up. And this car was vibrating pretty badly at idle. Alright, so you see at the top it says codes found 0. No check engine light. And everything is done.